everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most juicy, delicious meatloaf that everyone will enjoy. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please take a quick moment to subscribe, like this video for me if it was helpful, and let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you preheat your oven on 375. I have about 2 pounds of ground beef here. I usually like to do a 80-20, so it's not too dry or too fatty. Now, this is a straightforward dish. We're not going to saute anything, so I went ahead and grated my bell peppers and onion. That way they can be nice and fine and not too chunky. So I'm going to add them right in. Try not to add too much of that juice, but the juice it's tasty too, but you don't want to make it too runny. All right, this is 1/4 of a bell pepper, and this right here is 1 small onion. Okay, next I'm going to crack 1 egg in there. This is going to make it nice and juicy. Next I'm going in with some breadcrumbs. I'm using seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm using a little bit at a time. You don't want to add too much, and then you can't go back, so a little at a time. Now I have minced garlic, very finely minced, and we have some W sauce. I always have trouble saying this word. Sometimes I got it right, sometimes, you know. This right here is Dijon mustard, okay? It's going to add a nice flavor to this. Definitely can't skip that. Also, we have some ketchup, about a tablespoon. It's gonna be delicious. And we have all the seasoning here: chicken bouillon, onion and garlic powder, smoked paprika, and some seasoned salt with Italian seasoning, ground black pepper. Everything will be below. This is my key ingredients right here. I love this seasoning right here. It's the onion one, okay? I'll leave it down below for you. So good. And I'm going to add a little bit of milk, a little bit at a time, like I said, not too much. And then we're going to mix. Now, do not over mix this, okay? You're going to mix it, but you don't want to make it tough. So mix it enough, but not over mix, if you know what I mean. I'm going to add some of that bread, and this is about a cup, half a cup, I believe, half a cup of milk. Mix it up. Now I'm not squeezing it, I'm just mixing, okay? And there you go. It's nicely mixed. Now we're going to form our meatloaf. Now I have my baking dish ready to add my meatloaf right in there. Just add it in. Now all you gotta do is form your meatloaf, okay? Nothing to it, just the shape of my baking dish. Doesn't have to be pretty, but you know, I like to make it nice and pretty. All right, now it's time to bake it. I'm going to bake it for about 40 minutes. Once it's done, we're going to make the glaze. All right, guys, I have 10 minutes left on my timer. I am going to start working on the glaze. To a medium-high heat skillet, I'm adding 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. Once that is nice and melted, I'm going in with 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. Now, I like to use Baby Ray's. I'll leave it down below for you guys, but you can use whatever barbecue sauce that you like. I'm going in with some ketchup. Gotta have that ketchup in. Give it a mix. So we have about, I'll say, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now you can add some cayenne pepper to this if you like a little kick. The kids will eat this, so adding a little bit of Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of rice wine vinegar. And now, if you like, you can add some onion powder, just a little bit, okay? And at this point, mix it together. It smells so good. And your sauce is pretty much done. My meatloaf is halfway done. Okay, it's time to add the glaze. Let's do it. All you gotta do, grab your glaze, pour that glaze all over, just like this. Grab you a little brush and just brush that glaze all over that meatloaf. Ooh, it smells really, really delicious, like you can tell. All this juice right here, don't worry, we're gonna pour it all over the meatloaf once it's nice and done. I just wanna eat it right now. I wanna take a bite because it smells so good in here. Perfect. Alrighty, now all we gotta do is take it back to the oven. Now we're taking it back to the oven. Oh yes, it's looking good. We're gonna let that glaze caramelize for about 15 to 20 minutes, then we'll take it out. The meatloaf is ready. Ooh, 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 it looks good. It smells good. Can't wait to dive in. I see all of that juice coming out of it. Yes, ma'am. All right, guys, I am ready to try this beautiful, juicy meatloaf. Let's do it. Y'all, I had to let this sit for about 10 minutes to kind of rest. It's more juicy that way. So now, let's try it. Listen, you know that was gonna come, right? This is a recipe you gotta try. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Juicy, absolutely flavorful. Everything is just so perfect. The seasoning, the veggies, flavor is on point. You hear me? Oh man. Thank you so much for watching today's recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below what type of side dish would you pair with this meatloaf. I have some fried cabbage and some mashed potatoes that I'm going to eat mine with, but let me know. I would love to know. I'm curious. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.